Good morning, class. Today we are going to do English Literature, Chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. It's on page number 24, so be ready. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. Now here is telling that Partho was a park keeper. He had 5 people in his team. Park keeper who keeps and takes care of the entire park. And Partho loved doing his job. Once every year, the park was closed for cleaning. No one could use the park then. This year, the park was closed on a weekend. Once a year, the park used to be closed. Nobody could use the park. It was closed for cleaning up the park. It was closed on a weekend this year. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. Now Partho and his team took 2 days for cleaning the park. On Saturday, Partho and his team picked up the litter. Litter means rubbish. They picked them up and kept it in the large bags. And Partho said, everyone should throw the rubbish in the bins only, in the dustbins. His team nodded. They shook their head and said yes. Now, page number 25. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. They trimmed the grass. They scrubbed the swings, seashores, and slides. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. Now, what they did? They planted more seeds, new seeds. They trimmed the grass, made the grass small. They scrubbed the swings, the seashore. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. The swings, those were broken, they mended them up. The children will be so happy, Partho smiled. And Partho said, seeing all this, the children will be very happy. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, we must put up notice that say, wet paint next to the benches. Saturday, they cleaned up the park. They put new seeds. They trimmed the grass. And on Sunday, they painted the benches. Painted all the benches in the park. And Partho said, we'll put up notice that says wet paint, so that their clothes don't get dirty. By evening, the work was finally done. Everyone was tired. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. Now by evening, the work was totally done. They finally finished all the work, cleaning the park, doing up the swings that were broken, the painting of the benches, etc. And then they sat down as they were very tired. They had tea and some snacks. They looked around, they saw everything was finally finished. They were happy. When they got up, after finishing the tea and snacks, they looked around and saw that they were covered in paint. They were full in paint. Their clothes were painted as they sat on the wet paint. They themselves forgot that the benches were wet. Oh no, said Partho. We should have put up the wet paint notice before we sat down. Then Partho said, "Oh no, we should have put the notice that we said, wet paint." Everyone laughed. And seeing all this, they all laughed as they forgot that the bench were wet. So this is a story about Partho, the park keeper. Park keeper who takes care of the entire park. So we should always keep our park clean where we go to play, to enjoy. So Partho and his team of 5 people did the same thing. Cleaned up the entire park for the children to be happy and to play in the park. Now next session we will do the word meanings and the exercises. Thank you.